meantime, Vaishali, morning. Let's get in your take then on what the outlook is when it comes to individual stocks. What's the view on names within the large cap universe that really cracked hard and fast, and ITC, Asian Paints, L&T, etc.?
Very good morning. Yes, so of course, all these stocks have definitely taken a beating. So talking about Asian Paints, I think it's pretty much close to its support level, but it's a wait and watch scenario because overall we don't know whether market is stabilizing at these levels or no. So I would say it's still a wait and watch scenario, but yes, Asian Paints to talk about is at a crucial support level. I'd rather look at Infosys and SBI for now. They show a bit of conviction right now.
Okay, that's the take coming in on the market right now. But Vaishali, if I were to really map out the trend right now, other than private banks, what do you think is the weakest link in the market?
So, well, we have seen good selling coming in now. If you go to see, well, it is energy index, which is giving a good sell-off. Private banks like HDFC Bank, IndusInd, they have taken a beating. So in Bank Nifty, it's a mixed trend because SBI is holding on. Kotak is okay, relatively okay, but the private sector banks, especially these two that I mentioned, they are taking a beating. So let's see. Overall, Bank Nifty too has got into corrective mood. So we are looking at 47,000 as a crucial support to start with.
Well, let's get in some mid-cap trading ideas as well. Vaishali, what's on your list?
So, well, I'm looking at the rail stocks to start with. I like Jupiter Wagons. Yesterday, in spite of all the choppiness that we witnessed in the market, well, Jupiter Wagon has a very strong trend right now. And yesterday, we saw exceptionally high volume. So I would say I would look at a target of around 445, 450 to start with. And yes, support lies at 410. So it's a buy at every decline. The other sectors, the other stock that I like is from the media sector. I mean, Sun TV, if you have a look at that, that too was undeterred by all the trouble that we saw yesterday. The trend is pretty much intact. I continue to stay bullish on this with 625 as support, and I would look at a positional target of 700. So these two stocks are to my liking right now.
The bounce trade today, buy the Nifty, buy the Bank Nifty, and then a sharpish bounce could come.
Is it that a question to me?
Vaishali, would you play with the markets for the bounce today? Because we've seen a linear decline. It's not going to be a one-way street.
Not really, not really. I would wait for some confirmation. Right now, we are just trying to preempt. But yes, the downside levels are still open of 21,700, 21,600. If that is what we see, I would take a chance to buy there.
Let's look at one stock which in a sense has gone against the trend this week. Kotak. Has Kotak bottomed out? Vaishali, what's your view on Kotak?
Well, Kotak, actually, there is really no trend. Only confirmation even for a near term comes only if the stock sustains above 1655, 1660 levels, because we saw the stock showing the low of 1540 levels and then we are seeing a bounce, but it needs to sustain about 1655, 1660 levels for us to have a projected target of 1700 to start with. So right now it's a no trade zone.
Ali, thank you very much. It's a good start for the day. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.